Okay guys, so now for the question and answers portion, and if you have any questions, leave them down below, or you can message me on Instagram or Ola. It's at Ola.
Olka Fasolka.
Yeah.
You have to tag it at
Is
the
it the
bottom.
personal one or?
That's my personal one, and then there's Ola K Designs, which is my design one.
Perfect. So follow her on both. But we have some questions to answer now for you guys. So let's get into it. Favorite stores for decorating on a budget? IKEA, hello.
Yeah.
IKEA. Any other ones?
Decorating on a budget.
TK Maxx, maybe.
TK Maxx,
TK
that's
Maxx,
what pops into my head.
Yeah.
Then again, like, you'll find nice bits in pennies, like.
Yeah.
You really would. And like H&M and stuff like that.
You know I love H&M. You know I love H&M. Yeah, actually.
Yeah. If you're going online, obviously we don't have H&M here in
No.
Castlebar.
No. But like, actually, I forgot about H&M. God. How many colours do you like to feature in a room? So I suppose that...
It all depends on the room.
Yeah, like, so say, for example, let's say, explain maybe your kitchen.
So, okay.
Or like the dining space. So there's like...
So my kitchen dining space is all in one, and my sitting room is just off that. But some people probably won't like the fact that I have a grey kitchen and I've pink in my kitchen.
I love it.
And my dining space is just right here, and you can see the green chairs. Like, I've pink bar stools and then I have green chairs on my dining table because it works with the painting. It all just works. Like, there's a flow to the space. Yeah. So like, there's a few colours.
Like, it's because like here it's so simple. And
like it's one area, it all nicely flows, but each area is a separate area. Like it speaks for itself kind of thing. So
yeah, and we're not going to sit here and tell you, only feature 3 colours or only feature 4. There's no rules, like, you know, because with this beautiful painting here behind us, like, you can extract colours from there, you know, pull colours from it, because it'll all tie back into it because all the colours are there, you know. And whatever works for you, really, isn't it? You know, it's all subjective. How to match wood furniture with wooden flooring? I mean, like, I don't think you have to match the wooden furniture to the floor.
No.
I think it's nice to have a bit of contrast. Like, maybe if you're doing, like, say if your floor was like, let's say pine, and like your furniture was a walnut, like, you know, I would kind of stay kind of more contrasted than, you know, something that's too similar.
Yeah.
Maybe, you know.
Then again, it all depends on the space. It all depends on how much lighting comes into the room.
And like what furniture it is. Is it a bed frame? Is it a coffee table with, like, you know, matching lamp table? And all subjective. You can, even if you're worried about it like clashing or not working, you could also just paint it, you know. Furniture painted is really nice and adds a bit of a, you know, more colour, you know.
Spice things up.
Spice up your life. So choosing a rug size for a room, should it meet the furniture or sit in front of it? I mean, I feel like that depends really, you know.
That also depends on the room.
Yeah, because like sometimes it depends on the look you're going for as well. If it's a small space, you know, it might look better if the rug only meets the furniture, because it kind of gives the illusion of more space and like more floor space. Whereas if it's a big room, you know, you might want a bigger rug to kind of cover more area, and just depends on the vibe. If you want a cozy vibe, if you want it area.
If you want to go, it depends. That's design, like.
It's literally so subjective. Like, it's there's endless possibilities. And like, you know, whatever works for you, really. How many styles or aesthetics can you mix in a room? I think, like, I mean, as long as there's some sort of consistency and some sort of, like,
you need to have a nice flow throughout the house. There has to be, like that. It doesn't all have to be matchy. You don't want to have the whole, but you do want to have a flow through your house. And, like, your accessories downstairs or the colour scheme downstairs matches with the colour scheme upstairs. Like, say you could have like a really clean cut modern like space, like say a dining table that's really modern. You could have like this like really 70s quirky like lighting. But I think that's, you know, what, like, my kitchen's very modern, but my green chairs are very 70s. They're very retro.
It still works. It works. Because it's, but like also there's still some like the softness in it, and like it kind of feeds off each other. But I think, you know, I love like eclectic spaces. I think they look really like just oozes personality. So like, I'd say the options are limitless, really. Okay, so how to place furniture or rugs if your fireplace is off center. I think maybe center it with it, like all the furniture with the fireplace, or really make it asymmetrical. You know, really emphasize
the fire was
off-centered from like, you know, the wall where it's on.
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest, like you could like really make it just like asymmetrical and like, you know, really emphasize the fact that it's off-centered and maybe put like shelving or something up.
Yeah, I'd feature it like that as well. Yeah. I'd maybe put the telly in the center.
Yeah.
Let's
be honest. Have something like, you know. Yeah. Because like it's yeah. What colors do you think are over or have had their day?
I don't think any have.
Same, I like you can
I don't think any have.
Yeah.
You do you, boo.
Yeah, if you like.
If you want to paint your house pink,
chartreuse, like literally, if you want to paint everything pink, do it. Like, you know, I know.
Okay, let's not go over
you know, but if that's what you like, you know.
No, I don't think there's colours that are gonna.
No one can tell you, oh, this colour's over. This is the next. Like, you know, it's not, because it's whatever you like. It's because it's your space. At the end of the day, you have to walk into that living room. And sit down and relax, you know.
It's all about feeling good in your space that you create. You have to, it's your comfort. This is where your safe place is. You have to be comfortable.
Yeah, it has to be you, you know. Yeah, there's no rules then again.
No.
Some
designers.
I know, See, I feel like we need to be like in that space to really like and give suggestions.
Oh
you know.
You can't, like, even if you like that working in the shop and the customer comes in and they want to buy a couch, let's say, and they're asking my advice and asking, okay, do you think that'll work? And they'll show me a picture of their sitting room. It's still very hard to tell, will it or will it not work?
Because like you can't see like what the lighting is like,
how big the room is, what's the lighting.
You know,
plus pictures never give off the right colours as well.
And size, you never go off the right size either.
So it's hard.
Because like also like I feel like with design it's more so kind of you're designing for purpose almost.
Yeah.
You know, you're creating like a space that
but you always need to be in the space. Feel for the space.
Feel it. Feel the space. Okay, do you have a favorite brand of paint for walls, materials, wood? I like Fleetwood.
Yeah, I don't have a favorite.
No, I kind of mix between, because I know Farrow and Ball, like I love Farrow and Ball because I love the tones.
Yeah.
But like it's expensive, but also you can get Farrow and Ball paints mixed with Fleetwood paints and it's the same price as the Fleetwood, so you know, life hack. Yeah, there's one tip you can walk away with. It all depends, like, because they all have kind of similar colors, but like a lot of their tones are different and they all have like different kind of key elements that they bring. Like, I mean, there's no really wrong paint brand, you know.
Again.
Yeah.
There's no right or wrong answer.
So everything in your budget.
Whatever's in your budget, whatever shade that works best for your space.
Yeah, because like there's like 50 million different shades in the room, but like, you know, one of them in one brand could just be the perfect one, you know. I always suggest is getting paint samples up on your wall.
A few walls in your, like even just a line on each wall of your room. Let it dry. Wait for it.
See it in the morning, evening, you know.
Wait to see how lighting, it looks in natural light, and then you'll decide on instead of getting it painted and then it coming out a wrong colour. Yeah, been there, done that.
That's a mistake you make once. Any tips? Do you like mixing metals in a room?
Metals?
Yeah, like I suppose like would it be like
if you're going for more of a industrial kind of look and stuff like that, you would,
I think it's cool. I think it looks good. I would keep all the handles and the the fixtures like kind of the same.
Mixing colours like?
No, like metals, like mixing metals and stuff, like like metals, like the door handles or like the sink.
Oh no, like if I was going silver, I'm going silver.
Silver, okay. What colours are you currently obsessed with using for interiors?
Grey.
Grey?
I love grey. I just love it. Grey is the new magnolia. It's timeless.
Yeah.
Anything works with it.
Yeah.
Absolutely anything.
There's a million different shades of it.
So I know from working like that, people come in and they'll say that they have cream on the walls. Can they put a grey sofa with it? Of course you can.
Yeah.
Grey and cream works.
Yeah.
I think grey is just, anything works with it. No matter what colour you put with it.
You can literally put anything with it and it will like work. And there's also so many different shades of grey. There's grey with blue undertones, green undertones, it's red undertones, like it's endless. So like if you are like, grey, maybe go a different tone of it, because there's so many different options, or maybe go darker. Okay, well, what colours am I currently obsessed with? Green. Green. I love green. Oh my god, like green everything. Or, yeah, green. I really like green. And like, I also really like purple at the minute.
Yeah.
Like that deep purple, I don't know, yeah. What is your dream project to work on?
Oh.
Just no budget. Just give me no budget.
So we want, well obviously I'd say everyone has their perfect forever home.
Yeah.
Which I absolutely have a vision for and I cannot wait. And fingers crossed, hopefully we'll be in a position to be able to get our forever home. But yeah, if there was no budget,
Yeah, that'd be your dream project. I suppose it is, like my dream project would be more of a personal one as well. It would be my future home or, you know, because like it literally can be all you, like, which is the most exciting thing. There's no restrictions, no like, it's literally only restricted by yourself when you're doing your own space, which is what makes it more exciting, you know? That's why I always change my room every year. How do you describe your personal interior style in 3 words? Oh God, that's some...
Me, I would say probably modern, sleek. Oh fuck.
That's the 3rd one, is it?
I would say a bit elegant.
Elegant, yeah, and I get that vibe of you though as well, like,
A bit of, I hate clutter. I love just clean line, as minimalistic as possible, but at the same time still feeling homely. You don't want just 4 empty walls, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah.
I don't even know, to be honest. Like, I don't think I've locked down my style yet, you know, because I'm still kind of in that experimental phase where I'm trying.
I do think modern, elegant, and
but like
sleek.
you kind of, I get that vibe of you though as well, like, you know, like even like where you dress.
Yeah. Well, I don't look like a homeless person.
But like that's,
It's 90% of the time.
No, this cannot look like a homeless person. Like, can't. I don't even know. Maybe like fun. fun. I don't know. Maybe. To be honest, I don't. Maybe like fresh, clean. I like a natural element in a space. I like maybe like something like a wood or like maybe a marble, something like earthy, like natural, organic looking. I like like maybe a canvas cushion. I do like that kind of like organic. I think it's like just more like, I don't know. I like it, and I like texture. That's not describing my style, that's like things I like. But anyway guys, that was our Q&A portion. If you have any questions, be sure to let me or Ola know. You can let us know down below, or you can head over to any of our Instagrams and DM us personal message or email. Whatever, or you can call. Don't call me. But like, and let us know, because like we're here to answer and give advice. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this Q&A portion. Please let me know all your thoughts down below, and before you go, don't forget to head over to Instagram and give Ola a follow, because you know, really exciting projects coming up, so you know, you don't want to miss any of them. And before you go, also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also with that little notification bell, just notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.